Have you ever wondered if there's one simple thing you could add to your morning coffee that could change the way your body feels after 60? Something so small yet powerful enough to fight fatigue, ease joint pain, and even sharpen your memory? Well, most people don't realize the secret isn't a pill or an expensive supplement. It's a single natural powder that's been hiding in plain sight. And once you discover what it does inside your body, you'll never drink your coffee the same way again. But before we reveal this powerful morning secret, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Dull Grow Health, where every week we share the most eye-opening health insights, designed especially for seniors who want to age stronger, not slower. Now, let's dive into something that might just shock you. For decades, coffee has been our morning ritual, that warm, comforting moment that starts the day. But here's the twist. If you're over 60, simply adding one special powder to your daily cup can transform your joints, skin, energy, and even brain function. Doctors have called it the youth molecule, but hardly anyone uses it correctly. So today, we're counting down the 8 shocking benefits of adding this powder to your coffee. And by the end, you'll understand why millions of seniors are calling it the morning miracle. And make sure you stay till the end, because the number one food is something you probably eat already, but not in the best way for muscle strength. Number 8, Ceylon cinnamon, the silent blood sugar balancer. Most seniors use regular cinnamon, not knowing that it's often cassia cinnamon, which can hurt your liver in high amounts. But Ceylon cinnamon, the true king of spices, is a different story. When added to coffee, it slows the absorption of sugar, helping your body maintain balanced energy levels throughout the day. No more post-coffee crash, no more shaking hands or sudden weakness after breakfast. It even boosts circulation. That means warmer hands, better oxygen delivery, and a stronger heart. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that daily Ceylon cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity in adults over 60 by up to 20%. That's not just flavor, that's control over your energy. Number 7, cocoa powder, the heart strength hero. Dark, rich, and comforting, cocoa powder isn't just for desserts. It's one of nature's strongest antioxidant sources, packed with flavonoids that protect the heart and blood vessels. When you mix pure, unsweetened cocoa with coffee, you get a combo that helps keep arteries flexible, supports blood flow to the brain, and lifts your mood. Seniors who drink cocoa-based drinks regularly have shown better memory performance and reduced fatigue. So, next time you sip your coffee, add half a teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa. Your heart will thank you with every beat. Number 6, collagen powder, the youth keeper. Around age 60, collagen production declines sharply, leading to weaker joints, sagging skin, and that familiar creak when you stand up. But when you stir a scoop of hydrolyzed collagen powder into your morning coffee, you're feeding your bones, joints, and skin exactly what they've been starving for. Collagen helps strengthen ligaments and tendons, reducing pain and stiffness. It also restores elasticity in the skin, giving it a healthier glow. It's tasteless, dissolves instantly, and within a few weeks, many people notice smoother movement and stronger nails. Your morning coffee becomes your daily repair ritual. Number 5, turmeric powder, the natural anti-inflammatory. This golden spice has been praised for thousands of years, and for good reason. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps calm chronic inflammation, the root cause of joint pain, fatigue, and even brain fog in older adults. When combined with black pepper or a bit of fat like coconut oil, its absorption skyrockets. Adding a pinch of turmeric to your coffee may sound strange, but it turns your cup into a healing drink. Over time, many seniors report less swelling in their knees and sharper focus. Throughout the day, it's nature's way of saying, "I've got your back." Number 4, lion's mane mushroom powder, the brain recharger. Memory lapses, forgetfulness, or slow thinking, these are not inevitable signs of aging. The lion's mane mushroom, a natural nootropic, has shown remarkable effects on brain health and nerve repair. Studies suggest it stimulates the nerve growth factor, NGF, helping your brain form new connections. When you blend it with coffee, it creates a calm alertness, energy without the jitters. Many seniors describe it as mental clarity in a cup. If your mornings sometimes start with confusion or fog, this powder might be the key to bringing back focus and confidence. Number 3, moringa powder, the green superleaf. This vibrant green powder is a powerhouse of vitamins, calcium, and antioxidants, especially beneficial for bones and heart health. Moringa helps regulate blood pressure and improves oxygen delivery throughout the body. It's like nature's multivitamin for seniors, supporting energy levels, digestion, and even sleep quality. A quarter teaspoon daily can make your morning coffee a complete wellness drink. Think of it as liquid nutrition that works quietly but powerfully. Number 2. Maca root powder, the energy restorer. Feeling tired even after sleeping well? That's where maca root shines. Grown in the Andes Mountains, this adaptogenic root helps balance hormones, improve stamina, and restore natural energy. It doesn't spike your heart rate like caffeine. It supports your adrenal system, which controls how your body handles stress and fatigue. Seniors who use Meishi often report a steady sense of vitality and better mood. Add a small scoop to your morning coffee, and you might just feel like your younger self is waking up again. Beer 1 Collagen plus Cacao Combo, the ultimate coffee upgrade. Here's the secret that ties it all together. When you mix collagen powder and pure cacao in your coffee, something magical happens. The amino acids from collagen support muscle and skin repair, while cacao's antioxidants protect your cells from aging. Together, they form the most powerful anti-aging drink you can have each morning. Seniors who make this their daily ritual often see smoother skin, stronger joints, and improved mental clarity within weeks. Your coffee becomes your personal wellness potion. Simple, delicious, and deeply restorative. So let's do a quick recap. We started with the simple idea that your morning coffee can be more than just a habit. It can be healing. You learned that even small additions can turn every sip into a step toward strength, energy, and clarity. Number 8, Ceylon cinnamon balanced your blood sugar and boosted circulation. Number 7, cocoa powder protected your heart and mind with antioxidants. Number 6, collagen powder rebuilt joints, skin, and bones. Number 5, turmeric powder fought silent inflammation inside your body. Number 4, lion's mane reignited your brain's focus and memory. Number 3, moringa powder nourished your body with complete nutrition. Number 2, maca root restored lasting energy and hormonal balance. Number 1, the collagen plus cacao combo became your ultimate anti-aging ritual. All these together remind us of one truth. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. Every day is a new chance to rebuild your body from the inside out, one sip at a time. So, tomorrow morning when you pour that cup of coffee, ask yourself, what will I add to make this cup a healing one? Because sometimes, the smallest daily choices bring the biggest lifelong changes. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dull Grow Health, where we bring science-backed ways to stay active, sharp and strong well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Stay healthy, stay positive, and remember, your second youth can start with your morning coffee.